Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Then tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. After that, you need to read the disclaimer, choose continue, and remember to keep your face in frame until you see 100% mark. Follow all of those instructions. And now over here, you can switch on or off, stay on lock screen until the swipe feature by tapping on the switcher, and when you're ready, select done. Now click home button, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my tablet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!